Twisted Sniper 42 here from Sniper Scale Models. This is just a inbox review of the Monogram 56 Custom Chevy. Let's have a look at the box art. Obviously on the front you see it with the flames and in the black. On the side we have again another front view of it. It's a skill level 2. Kit number is 2255. On the other end it's exactly the same. On the side it actually shows you camera, the back and the side and the motor view. This was 91, this one. A bit of information on it. It's got a 265 cubic inch. Yeah, it says includes optional stock parts, so I'll take the lid off of that. Supercharged 56 Chevy. Very nice. Again, a bit of information on it. 256. So let's have a look at that. This is your basic fold-out instructions. Building the motor. It gives you obviously the supercharged option or the stock option. Then it goes on to suspension parts, mounting the engine in. Then we've got putting the wheels and tyres on. Then we go into the interior bucket, putting the hoop in, and the interior bucket actually in it. What else we got? Then we're putting the hinge and the scoop on the obviously optional scoop on top of the hood. Then it tells you to place the glass in, snap obviously the chassis onto the body. Then we've got the radiator with the battery and the core support. Again, it's telling you to put this. Oh, I see. Okay, that doesn't really make a lot of sense. But anyway, yeah, same thing there. I guess one's for stock and one's for thingy. But why you wouldn't? Yeah. Anyway, then you want to put the hood on, and then it goes on to putting the grille assembly in and the bumpers again with the rear tail lights and bumpers and stuff. And again, must be an optional extra. The aerial, I don't even know if that is in there. I haven't really had a look. All I've done is open the bag, so I can have a look. But that's the instructions. Moving on to the decals and the glass. Saying that, I haven't seen any red tail lights. That should be interesting. There's the glass. I mean, it's a little bit scratched up and stuff. You can see it there. I'm hoping I can polish that out. But we'll see. And then moulded inside it, which is quite flashy, the headlamp glass itself. And again, as you quickly saw in the other video, your flame decals. I keep going out of camera. I don't know what my eyeballs need testing again, I think. But yeah, you got your flame decals, your 56 Chevy plates. This is quite cool. I'll probably use those. I really must start actually scanning them, and so I can actually print some out for myself, and because I keep meaning to do it and I always forget, so I'm gonna have to start doing that, scanning them in, so I can end up making my own. Right, but so that's the glass and decals. Now we go on to the tyres. We have the standard tyres. I think these are Goodyear. Yeah, these are Goodyears. What's that? Steel. No, I can't read it. It says steel something on it. Ooh. Printed on one side. Pretty hard, big seam line around it, but that's the way it goes. I'm assuming there might have been another set of tyres in here that George has taken out, but that's no issue, because when he sent me this kit, it was actually the point the other year when he sent me some tyres and some rims, which was very kind of him, and didn't ask, he just did it, and that was very kind. So tyres are not an issue, I can find those. So again, we got the chrome tree, a bit flashy. We got the beautiful hood ornament there, license plates, holders, standard rims, valve covers. Oh, there's that aerial right there. What's the other one? No idea. Not sure what the other one is though, but that's the aerial. Valve covers. Oh, excuse me, guys. Shifter, cool shifter. Headlight buckets, tail light assemblies. Trying to work out. Okay. What those ones are, what they are. I'm not sure. Unless they go inside the buckets, maybe. Yeah, they probably go inside the buckets. No, they can't do because the glass goes through those. I'm not sure what they're for. Might be for another kit, as in another option. Front and rear bumper. Yeah, so it's got an optional bumper. So yeah, it must be. The chrome's a bit rubbish on that bumper. Saying that it's not that good on any of them. Supercharger parts, carbs, blower belts and stuff. I'm guessing that's for the rear end. It's got to be the other half of the pumpkin, I would imagine. These rims that on the box art I really did not like, but actually if I can get some glare off them, looking at them in the flesh, they actually pretty cool. But we might change those up for something a bit more meaty, maybe. We'll have a look and see. Let's move on to the plastic. So we have the body, a little bit scratched, but you know, pretty nice. Not bad all in all. Now do I chrome nose with bare metal, or do I use the pen, or do I do something different? Not sure. Anyway, that's the body. It's pretty nice. What's that here? Oh, it's got a bit of a, if you can see it, just if he wants to focus. No, he doesn't. Just anyway, just there is if you, there it is. You can see it there. It is from the hole where the CB aerial would go. So that's where that is. But other than that, it's pretty good. Floor pan. Again, on this kit, mufflers and that are moulded in. I'm not a big fan of that. We might go with that, we might not. We'll see. Pretty basic, but nice. Again, Not going to grumble, because you know it was a gift from, you know, a fellow modeler who I respect very much. So, and that's the only thing I don't like, where they put numbers and stuff in it. I mean, obviously we've got to get the pin marks out, pin marks on the shelf, which is a bit annoying, pin marks on the top of the seats and in here and there. Pedals are already in there. It's a bit of a shame, but once the seats are in there, you probably won't see most of it, so it won't be a huge amount of work to sort that out. Seats, we've got the seats here, obviously high back, bucket style seats, and obviously the scoop for the hood. Sorry, I'm out of picture again, aren't I? For the hood. So we'll see whether we're going to use that or not. We probably will. I do like a good hood scoop. So on this one we have standard headers and exhaust. Then we have obviously your uprated version, and I'm guessing these are, do they go straight into the, to that there? I imagine they must go straight. I guess they must go straight into there somehow. Sorry, interesting. So you got your rear seat, interesting. Your lower control arms, not sure what they are. Obviously I've not taken this kit apart out and had a look at it properly, so I couldn't really tell exactly what it is. Again, we got radiator core. That looks like a different type of scoop. Not quite sure about that. We got quite like that. Fire extinguisher in with the thing. We got a standard set of pulleys. We have the wheel backs. We have a fan belt. Some of the suspension parts in there. What else? The hoses for the thingy, and a couple of other bits. I'm not quite sure what they are without looking, but again, pretty nice. And we have the standard cleaner, the standard steering wheel, which I'll probably get rid of, heads, the manifold, block halves, rear suspension. I'm guessing that's for the other side. Polycaps for the wheels, I'm guessing. Dash, I like the dash. That's really quite nice. See if we can get that to go in. So that's quite nice. So, yeah, that's everything. So, yes, it looks to me like we have rear tail light glass missing. Yes, sorry guys, just trying to think what I'm going to do about that. If any of you guys have got the rear glass for these, for the tail lights there, I've got the bezels, but no glass. If anybody's got them, leave a comment below in the description, not in the description, idiot, in the comments box, and we'll see if we can work something out. If not, it might be with a clear glue, possibly, I guess. I'm not quite sure how else I'm going to do it. Even the clear glue, I'm not quite sure. But yeah, if any of you guys have got got in your parts box a spare set kicking about, leave it in the comments, and if we can come to an arrangement, that's cool. If not, I will find a way of doing it, I guess. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I've taken up enough of your time, guys. It's a long, boring one for you. But that's the Monogram 56 Chevy that I'm going to put in for the muscular dystrophy build. I'm really pleased to be in this. It's a really good cause. It raises awareness. Obviously, I know a couple of people that have various types of MD. I also know someone with a MS. Not only that, my mum, about 6 years or so before she died, was diagnosed with Parkinson's, which is really nasty, because she, by the end she didn't know who I was or anything. Do you know what I mean? I won't touch on that because it's quite hard for me. Obviously, only losing a couple of years ago and 2 days after my birthday. It sucks. So I have the joy of my birthday, and then I have the horrible bit afterwards. But anyway, she's in my heart, and that means everything to me. So anyway, guys, I've bored you enough. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing me. We're nearly at the 500 mark, guys. Build strong, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.